Welcome to Education Hub. In this video, we are going to learn about collision vector example in computer architecture. What do you mean by collision? When two or more initiation attempt to use the same stage at the same time, a collision result. Initiation means it refers to the start of a single function evaluation. This is the reservation table. The multiple x row pose the possibility of collision. The number of time unit between two initiation is called the latency. What do you mean by latency sequence? The sequence of latency between successive initiation is called latency sequence. And latency cycle is that repeat itself is called latency cycle. What do I mean by control strategy? The procedure to choose a latency sequence is called control strategy. A control strategy that always minimizes the latency between the current initiation and the very last initiation is called a greedy strategy. What do you mean by forbidden set of latency? This set of column distances between all possible pair of x on each row of the reservation table is called the forbidden set of the latency. The forbidden set contains all possible latency that cause collision between two initiation. In this example, here forbidden set is 4 minus 1 equal to 3. Forbidden set means the set of column distance between all possible pair of x on each row of the reservation table. So 4 minus 1 equal to 3. And the collision vector, that is the largest forbidden latency obtained from the reservation table. Here largest forbidden latency is 3. So the collision vector is here, हम यहाँ पे 3 पे 1 पुट कर देंगे, बाकी 0. That is collision vector C1, C2, C3. Here forbidden latency that is 3. So here put 1 in C3, otherwise 0. And permissible latency is 1, 2 and 4. Now state diagram. State diagram is used to characterize the successive initiation of tasks in the pipeline in order to find the shortest latency sequence to optimize the control strategy. A state on the diagram is represented by the content of the shift register after the proper number of shift is made, which is equal to the latency between the current and the next task initiation. And the initial state correspond to the collision vector. Initial state is here collision vector equal to 1, 0, 0. So the initial state is 1, 0, 0 because the initial state correspond to the collision vector. By shifting right the vector one position, by shifting right the vector to one position, for example 1, 0, 0, shifting one position, here 0, 1, 0. This vector is then bitwise ORed with the collision vector to produce a new collision vector. Bitwise OR means bitwise OR is 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 and 1 1 1. This is bitwise operator. 100, हम यहाँ पे बताएंगे स्टेट डायग्राम कैसे बनाते हैं. 100. This is collision 1, collision 2 and 3. Here by shifting, write the vector one position, that is 1 0 0. Shifting, write the vector to one position, that is 0 1 and 0. Now bitwise OR operator, 0 0, that is 0 0 1 1 1 0 1, that is another state 1 1 0. 1 1 0. Similarly, second 1 0 0 1 0 0. By shifting, write the vector to position, that is 0 0 1. We obtain the vector 1 0 1. This vector is then bitwise OR with the collision vector 1 0 0 to produce a new collision vector, that is 1 0 1 1 0 1. That is 1 0 1. Now 3 पे 1 है, हमें वहीं पे ही इसको करना है जहाँ पे हमारा 0 है. नाउ कम टू 4. अब हम जब 4 पे करेंगे तो 4 पे ही आ जाएगा, या उससे ग्रेटर पे जब भी हम करेंगे तो सेम वही आएगा हमारा. 1 0 0 को 4 पे करते हैं अब हम. 1 0 0 4. By shifting right the vector 4 position, we obtain the vector same 1 0 0 4 0. Now perform bitwise OR operator, that is 0 0 1 0. Same वही आ जाएगा हमारा as it is 1 0 0. Now come to 1 1 0. 1 1 0. By shifting right the vector one position and back to the initial state. This shifting process should continue until no more new state can be generated. The shift register will be set to the initial state. The successive collision vector are used to prevent future task collision with previously initiated task, while the collision vector is used to prevent possible collision with the current task. Now 1 1 0 and the initial stated 1 0 0. 1 1 0. Now shift. By shifting right the vector one position, there is so 0 1 1. हम यहाँ पे किसके साथ करेंगे इसको? इनिशियल स्टेट के साथ बिटवाइज ओवर ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म करेंगे. इनिशियल स्टेट इज 1 0 0. So bitwise OR operation 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 1. So here first position 1 1 1. Okay, now 111 0 नहीं है, देन 4 से करेंगे या उससे भी ज़्यादा, सेम हम इनिशियल स्टेट पे ही चले जाएंगे। 101 से अगर हम करते हैं इसको एग्जीक्यूट, डैट इज 101. नाउ 101 बाय शिफ्टिंग राइट द वेक्टर टू पोजीशन, 0 हमारा सेकेंड पोजीशन में है, सो बाय शिफ्टिंग राइट द वेक्टर टू पोजीशन, that is 0 0 1. Initial state is 1 0 0. Perform bitwise OR operation here, that is 1 0 1. वन जीरो वन एंड 4 पे करेंगे, 4 या उससे ग्रेटर, देन हम इनिशियल स्टेट पे ही आ जाएंगे. सो दिस इज द स्टेट डायग्राम that is used to characterize the successive initiation of task in the pipeline in order to find the shortest latency sequence to optimize the control strategy. Now simple cycle. Simple cycle are those latency cycle in which each state appears only once per each iteration of the cycle. A simple cycle is a greedy cycle if each latency contained in the cycle is the minimum latency from a state in the cycle. Here 1 0 0, it means हमारा जो ये 1 0 0 है इनिशियल स्टेट, यहीं से ही हमारा स्टार्ट हो आर्क एंड इसी पे ही आ जाए. देन कौन कौन सी साइकिल है वो, डैट इज 2 4 4 1 1 4 एंड 1 0 1 पे ओनली 2, 1 1 0 पे that is 1 4 1. ओके, एंड 1 1 पे 4 1 1 ऑलरेडी हो चुका है, हमें रिपीट नहीं लिखना है. 1 0 0 पे 4 1 1 4 1 4 2 4, 1 0 1 पे 2. सो द सिंपल साइकिल इज 2 4 1 1 4 1 4 2 4. Now how to find the average latency. Average latency of a cycle is the sum of its latency divided by the number of state in the cycle. For example 2, sum of its latency divided by number of state in the cycle, 1 state, so 2 by 1 equal to 2. Here 4 by 1 equal to 2, 1 4 2, then 1 plus 4 divided by 2, that is 2.5, 2 4 2 plus 4 divided by 2, that is 3, 1 1 4, that is 1 plus 1 plus 4 divided by 3, 4 plus 1 5 plus 1 6 divided by 3, that is 2. And MAL, minimal latency, is minimum, that is 2, and here 2, that is 2 and 1 1 4. MAL is the average latency of any greedy cycle is no greater than the number of latency in the forbidden set, which equals the number of ones in the initial collision vector. The average latency of any greedy cycle is always lower bounded by the MAL. Thank you. Kindly like and subscribe my channel.